Today's episode delivers intense drama, heartbreaking emotions, and a shocking twist that could change everyone's destiny forever. The battle between Guru, Gautam Singh, and Nageshwar Chaudhary reaches a dangerous point where every decision comes with a painful price. Let's begin. The episode opens inside Gautam Singh's grand mansion. The atmosphere is heavy with tension as everyone waits for Gautam's next move. He has already made up his mind. No matter what happens, he wants Guru to marry his sister, Tejasvi. To make his intentions clear, Gautam instructs Mishra ji to bring the most expensive bridal outfit available in Sultanpur. Soon, Mishra ji returns carrying a magnificent wedding dress adorned with luxurious embroidery and precious ornaments. With great pride, he announces that no bride in the city has ever worn a wedding outfit as grand as this one. Just then, Guru walks into the room. The moment he sees the bridal attire, he immediately understands Gautam's plan. Looking directly at Gautam, Guru firmly says that politics should be fought with wisdom, not by forcing someone's future. Marriage is a sacred relationship, not a tool for personal ambition or political gain. He tells Gautam that if he truly wishes to protect his family's honor and achieve his political goals, he should find another path instead of destroying someone else's happiness. But Gautam remains completely calm. Before the conversation can continue, Nageshwar Chaudhary switches on the television. Breaking news suddenly appears on the screen. The reporter announces that crime has reached an alarming level, especially in Sultanpur. The police have launched a massive operation to eliminate the region's most dangerous criminals. The administration has declared that every notorious gangster will soon be brought to justice, and senior government officials are personally monitoring the mission. The room instantly falls silent. Everyone realizes that Nageshwar Chaudhary could be one of the main targets. Without saying a word, Gautam quietly switches off the television. Nageshwar's face reflects deep concern. Sensing his fear, Gautam confidently assures him that there is nothing to worry about. He claims the operation is meant for Nageshwar's enemies, not for him. As long as Gautam's support remains, no officer will dare touch him. Guru, however, is far from convinced. He stares at Gautam and accuses him of hiding threats behind polite words. He says Gautam speaks with kindness on the surface while using fear as his real weapon. Guru makes it absolutely clear that no amount of pressure, influence, or intimidation will ever force him to marry Tejasvi. The atmosphere becomes even more intense. Instead of responding with anger, Gautam decides to prove the extent of his power. He orders Mishra ji to call the Director General of Police and place the conversation on speaker. The call connects. Gautam calmly asks for an update on the anti-gangster operation. The police chief reports that the mission has been progressing successfully. Most of the state's notorious criminals have already been captured or eliminated. Only one major name remains, Nageshwar Chaudhary. The officer explains that no action has been taken because everyone believes Nageshwar still enjoys Gautam Singh's political protection. A heavy silence fills the room. Then Gautam smiles. In a cold and calculated tone, he asks the officer to imagine that his protection has now been withdrawn. The hidden message is instantly understood. The police chief responds without hesitation, saying that if Gautam's support is truly gone, the authorities will treat it as permission to move forward. He promises that Nageshwar Chaudhary will receive such severe punishment that it will serve as a warning to every criminal. Those words ignite Guru's anger. Unable to control himself, he grabs Gautam Singh by the collar. With fire in his eyes, Guru warns that anyone who dares to harm his father will have to face him first. He declares that no politician, no police officer, and no powerful leader can frighten his family. Guru vows to protect his father, even if it means risking everything. The confrontation almost turns violent. The entire room is frozen in shock. Meanwhile, Nageshwar quietly walks away. No one notices the pain hidden behind his silence. The constant threats, the unbearable pressure, and the fear of becoming the reason for his family's destruction finally break his spirit. Moments later, a voice echoes through the house. Guru immediately rushes toward the sound, followed by everyone else. As they reach the room, they are left horrified. Nageshwar Chaudhary is hanging from the ceiling. For a brief moment, time seems to stop. Guru's eyes fill with tears. He lets out a heartbreaking scream. Father! Without wasting a second, Guru rushes forward, desperately trying to save him. The entire family panics. Some struggle to bring him down while others call for help. The house is filled with fear, tears, and complete chaos. Now the biggest question remains. Will Nageshwar Chaudhary survive this tragic incident? Will Guru sacrifice his own happiness and agree to marry Tejaswi to protect his father? Or is an even greater twist waiting to change everything? The answers will unfold in the upcoming episode. If you enjoyed this recap, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest twists and dramatic updates. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.